If you like us, please like and subscribe.
At a quiet temple here in Photharam, many people may think that it is a passing through. The ancient performing art is one of wonder story. This incredible art form, full of fun and excitement, has journeyed through time for hundreds of years. Passed down and preserved by the Thai people, this story has become a part of humanity's shared cultural heritage. This is the shadow puppetry of Wat Khanon.
Those pictures are very cool, right? It's called Shadowpuppet.
Hello travelers, welcome to Fawn Creation channel. Today, we're staying true to our concept. We're off to flavor it, a hidden gem that's a favorite with insiders. It makes you want to shout about it. The history of Nang Yai shadow puppet drama at Wat Khanon is a testament to Thailand's incredible cultural richness.
Sawadee krab. Hello, my name is Piphat, and hey there, welcome to my channel. And we're here to watch shadow picture. I heard they are very fun to watch. Let's go watch, but we have to go explore first. Let's go.
That it was before we know about its cold shadow puppet form Phra trak. It is through this monk's efforts that the ancient art of Nang Yai lives on, gracing our eyes today. Or, you can refer to it by its official name, Nang Yai Shadow Puppet Drama at Wat Khanon. Our first stop was the Nang Yai Museum at Wat Khanon. Let's go!
The history of Nang Yai shadow puppet of Thailand. Thai shadow puppetry dates back to the Ayutthaya period, during the reign of King Yuthong. Its origins may even be older. During the Rattanakosin era, under King Rama II, Nang Yai shadow puppets were crafted to bring the Ramayana story to life. In the King Rama V era, the Nang Yai shadow puppet drama was begin in Wat Khanon. The originator of the carved leather puppet figures was a highly respected senior priest. His name is Sathasunthern, or Lung Pu Klom. The Reverend Sathasunthern had the idea of making the Nang Yai puppet figures larger than before. He persuaded a respected teacher, Klru, and two master craftsmen, Chang Ya and Chang Wang, to combine their talents and create the figures. Their first collection was Hanuman Tawai Van, or The Monkey King Offers the King a Ring. 9 further collections were crafted, and at present the temple houses 313 puppet figures. They are treasured by the temple as each one has been looked after and handed down with loving care. Wat Khanon is the only temple offering this form of royal entertainment. The puppet figures and standards of the Nang Yai troupe have each been immaculately maintained, thanks to the support of the temple from the past until the present day.
We're back go to museum.
Those pictures are very cool, right? And those are pretty hard to make and kinda took an hour to make those, and they were very cool like 300 years ago. There are 313 characters like this, and there's a lot of pictures. Whoa, how did you get there? Well, you can see there are a lot of pictures. How do you find and make it by imagination? And you can see there are very cool stuff. And this is the biggest picture they have made. As you can see, it's a lot of work to make that.
Their creating puppet figures are generally made from cowhide, which softens after tanning and can be rolled up and unrolled easily. Traditionally, people in this area didn't eat beef. However, when a cow died, the villagers would prepare its hide for the temple, where it would be used to make shadow puppets. The Nang Yai Shadow Puppet Show at Wat Khanon is one of the largest of its kind. Each puppet takes at least a month to craft. Because it's a work of art requiring a craftsman's expertise, the process is detailed and meticulous, resulting in the beautiful piece we've just witnessed. We're still at the museum and starting to get a little thirsty, so where should we head next?
You need to watch to the end and you will see the show of the performance of the shadow papers. So stay active. As you can see, I have a 10 baht and it needs 10 baht to use it and look. You can see it's moving. It's very cool.
Wat Khanon is home to some truly unique shirts. The designs are created using a special rubber screen printing technique, and they're absolutely beautiful. While you're there, grab a drink at their shop too. The people here are happy to share their knowledge about Nang Yai at Wat Khanon. They're incredibly kind. Just nearby, you'll find the traditional Wat Khanon Community Market. It's a small market, but it still offers a glimpse into the past with a few traditional souvenirs and food stalls.
The shadow puppet move and they play soulful and acting, and even have sound and art of Thai, and they are very cool. It's very beautiful and handmade by humans, and it took a lot of months to make that. That's our hard work. Or human made like this to play play the shadow puppet in the lights. You can see. This black tofu and those are pretty cheap and it's very delicious. We're here at Ratchaburi, Wat Khanon, and we're gonna watch Shadowpuppet. It's a old Thai culture, and we're gonna go inside of the temple and watch the Shadowpuppet. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nang Yai Wat Khanon. From the passionate rhythms of Thai music to the powerful movements of its dance, discover the heart of Thanos, a unique voice in the rich tapestry of Asian shadow puppetry.
องค์ขอตื่นขแม่งเห็นยักษ์สาจึงเรียกพลโยธาให้มาช่วยสกัดกั้นลิงเล็กลิงน้อยลอยพลวันจับยักษ์ปักกะลังในทันใดบัดนั้นเชิด
เหลวคราใครไปในมรคาบัดนี้เชิดครับเมื่อส่งยักษ์ปากกาลังครับก็จะคำสั่งเรียบร้อยเป็นเวลารุ่งเช้านะครับอนุมานก็มีคำสั่งให้ออกเดินทางเพื่อจะไปสู่ข่าวการพิจารณาทันทีก็มีการฝึกหัดในเรื่องของการเชิดนะครับหนังใหญ่ประมาณ 80% เราเล่นอยู่ทางด้านหน้าจอเพราะฉะนั้นก็จะต้องมีการฝึกหัดในเรื่องของท่าทางการเชิดนะครับตั้งเหลี่ยมนะครับเราเรียกว่าการตั้งเหลี่ยมหรือเหลี่ยมหัดครับการเชิดการเต้นจะต้องมีเหลี่ยมประกอบซ้ายขวาการยับจังหวะซ้ายขึ้นลอยนะครับเป็นท่าทางที่บ่งบอกถึงความได้เปรียบและเสียเปรียบของตัวละครที่ทำการต่อสู้พร้อมลอยนะครับด้านบนก็จะเป็นฝ่ายที่ได้เปรียบในการต่อสู้นะครับด้านล่างก็จะเป็นฝ่ายที่เสียเปรียบนะครับเราเรียกว่าการขึ้นลอยนะครับถ่ายรูปได้นะครับถ่ายรูปได้นะครับเดี๋ยวลองกล้องแป๊บนึงครับขอบคุณครับเตรียมทำการแสดงครับผมเสียงปรบมือครับผู้สานต่อเป็นใจให้กับท่านใหญ่วัดขนอมนะครับก็ต้องขอกราบขอบคุณในโอกาสนี้ด้วยครับขอบคุณครับ
This is Nang Yai, a shadow puppet drama of Wat Khanon that has been passed down here for 300 years. This was a first for us, and honestly, we were amazed. Seeing it with our own eyes was so much more fun, powerful, and magical than we imagined. We hope you enjoy this little glimpse in our video. Up next, let's make some shadow puppets.
แล้วตอกลงไปมันจะมีความหนืดของหนังเราจะใช้เทียนมาช่วยจุ่มจุ่ของเราเพื่อมาใช้ในการตอกวิธีตอกก็คือต้องเข้าใจในลายของมันจะมี2ลายในชิ้นงานเราเนี่ยจุดเนี่ยเราจะเรียกว่าไข่ปลานะครับแล้วก็เส้นจะเรียกว่าตัวหนอนวิธีตอกก็คือการตอกคือตอกจับจุ่มตัวแล้วค้อนตอกไปแล้วก็เหลือนี่คือไข่ปลานะครับแล้วก็เส้นตัวหนอนนี่ก็คือการตอกแบบครึ่งวงกลมตอกทับกันนะครับไปเรื่อยๆมันก็จะเป็นเส้นออกมา
It's very easy to make this if you practice a lot. It needs a hammer and a nail to hit it like this. And if we are done, we can color with markers. This one. The finished one is lettered handmade by Immerse.
That's the end of this clip. But before we go, we have an important message for everyone. Whether you're in Thailand or anywhere else in the world, we need to cherish and preserve our cultures, tell who we are.
Now Nang Yai Wat Khanon, that is. It is a big movie that took place during the reign of King Rama V and is more than 100 years old. The condition of the leather still exists, but the leather that has been around since the Ayutthaya period has deteriorated with the passage of time. Sometimes it's missing, it's gone, it's stopped, it's dropped. But this Nang Yai at Wat Khanon is not very young, about 100 years old. The condition of the movie is still good enough, so even though it has been discontinued since World War II, it is still being played in the Wat Khanon community. We're performing together. People are quite familiar with Nang Yai Wat Khanon and have chosen to preserve it and become a source of learning and education. There is also Silpakorn University. It is the party that responds to the Royal Initiative project at the Faculty of Decorative Arts. Silpakorn University during the reign of Kunyang Khazri Sri Arun as the rector and Professor Samsri Muktrong, responding to the Royal Initiative project. So a new set of puppets was made to replace the old set. The old set, which is over 100 years old, is kept in a museum. And Her Royal Highness therefore had the idea to train the youth to act in shadow puppetry. In terms of acting, Wat Khanon brought various arts to learn and study together. Starting with handicrafts and making leather, there are activities. There is room for children to learn about leather carving. Dance is the act of dancing and performing. You must learn the postures of the puppet show. The third art is composition and music. We have our own Thai orchestra and we also have a group for performing. We brought it together to play together. So, learning and education are sources of further learning and education. We received an award from the UNESCO program in 2007. The award of ACU comes from the words, Asia Pacific Cultural Center for UNESCO. It's an award given by UNESCO to communities that have inherited cultural heritage, one of the 6 communities in the world. In 2007,
we are thrilled to share that Nang Yai shadow puppetry has been nominated for the prestigious UNESCO World Heritage Site list. This time, to be registered as a World Heritage Site, we've been collecting data since approximately 2021, with registration expected next year, 2026. We're currently gathering information about Nang Yai shadow puppet. Initially, we focused on Nang Yai performances at the Wat Khanon Temple Cinema, the only venue at the time. However, the Department of Cultural Promotion is working to support Nang Yai troops across Thailand. Nang Yai is therefore considered a nationally significant art form. Nang Yai is registered as an intangible cultural heritage, ICH. Nang Yai uses a multi-level registration system, a globally recognized best practice. We are currently collecting data and creating various videos for a presentation to UNESCO at the next opportunity. We're currently developing a center for deeper learning education.
With respect and admire those who work hard for the nation's culture. We are just a small voice telling you, thank you.